on affordable luxury living. We are checking out the Promenade Apartments by Nelson Management Group in the Riverdale section of the Bronx. I'm going to be showing you guys the amenities, all of the amazing things this property has to offer, including a one-bedroom unit. Alright guys, so let's go inside and see what I have to show you. Welcome to the Promenade, you guys. So when you walk in, the living room is really spacious. It's sort of an open floor plan that leads into the dining room that also leads onto the balcony, which has this amazing view of the river. So can we talk about this amazing kitchen? It has a 5-burner gas range stove. One thing you'll love about this property is that all of the units come with these state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances. Look at these amazing gray cabinets. So beautiful. The hardware is beautiful. The countertops are quartz. And then let's talk about this refrigerator. I'm obsessed. It's so big, so spacious. Tenants will love how spacious these refrigerators and freezers are that come in each unit. Faucet. Look at this faucet. Change. The theme in this kitchen is absolutely stunning. The gray cabinets, the white quartz countertops, the beautiful backsplash, the hardware, everything ties in so well. And gray really serves as a neutral these days, so I think this kitchen is amazing. So on the way to the bedroom, this unit has one full bathroom. In the bathroom, they are continuing with that gray neutral theme that we've seen throughout the apartment. The backsplash behind the sink and the subway tile in the shower, the hardware, in the tub, it's just absolutely stunning. Next to the bathroom is a linen closet with tons of storage. This particular one-bedroom unit has a really nice sized bedroom. It also comes with this gorgeous big window that has this beautiful view where you can just look out and look at the water, and then it also has these amazing hardwood floors. Can we talk about how gorgeous these floors are? And then a nice built-in closet with tons of storage. So this property does offer on-site laundry. They have a huge laundry room for tenants to use when needing to wash your clothing, as well as storage units available if anyone needs to rent one, and a locker room where they store your packages when you need to pick them up. They also have a mail room. So we're here in the Promenade Apartments Fitness Center, where they offer brand new state-of-the-art equipment. This fully redone gym has so much to offer. They have such a great selection of workout equipment. They have treadmills, ellipticals, like literally everything you can think of, weights. They have a huge yoga room where they offer yoga classes. So there's everything at this fitness center. So the Promenade offers these amazing outside amenities, including this wonderful park for children. So if you have a family, this is a great place to bring your kids after school or on the weekends if they just want to play outside. There is somewhere for them to do that. They also have a tennis court, they have a basketball court, and then they have these stunning skyline views. So you really cannot beat the outside amenities, including the promenade. How beautiful is this promenade? It's a seating area where you can sit down with your family, enjoy a cup of coffee or just like a picnic, a little snack, and then you can watch the beautiful boats go by. It's just absolutely stunning. This whole area is so great. So this particular property is actually located 1 block away from the Metro North and 2 blocks away from the 1 train, which makes getting to transportation super easy and convenient. They also have a park, which is Very family oriented. They have a 24-hour attended to lobby as well as 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. Who doesn't want luxury at an affordable price? And everything is so accessible here. They have amazing grounds, you know, they have the promenade area where you can relax. Check out the promenade, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It's an amazing property.